I've nailed this everyday minimal makeup look with premium products at an affordable price. With the Lakmé's Vitamin C Superglow range, they not only cover and correct your skin but also cares for it, giving you an improved skin over time. Starting off with this 1% Vitamin C Superglow primer that blurs pores and mattifies the skin, making it the perfect canvas for your makeup. Then I use the Vitamin C Superglow concealer for my dark circles and dark spots. I love how hydrated and non-cakey this concealer keeps my under eyes. Then the product I was super excited to try was the 3% Vitamin C Superglow skin tint that blends effortlessly. I'm blending it with my fingers. It's so easy to apply. It is super lightweight and breathable and seems like second skin. It comes in 12 shades suitable for Indian skin tones. I have been obsessed with it lately. Adding some compact on my T-zone, and now to lock everything, I'm using the Vitamin C makeup fixer that is sweat and heat resistant that helps me look radiant and fresh all day. Here is the final before and after. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below.